Welcome to our YouTube video promoting the best Spectra Precision LL300N laser level, self-leveling kit of the year 2024. Precision, reliability, and ease define this tool, ensuring accurate measurements. Whether you're a construction pro or a DIY enthusiast, this laser level is indispensable. It's designed to streamline your projects with efficiency and accuracy. Upgrade your toolkit with the ultimate precision companion today. Leveraging the ingenious utilization of gravity, prisms, and mirrors, this device employs a sophisticated platform suspended by gravitational forces, akin to a plumb bob, which meticulously aligns incoming natural or laser light to maintain impeccable levels. At its core lies a pendulum or gimbal mechanism, a hallmark feature of automatic levels, ensuring steadfast accuracy in every operation. Automatic self-leveling, a technological marvel that obviates the tedious need for manual adjustments, thereby guaranteeing unwavering precision throughout tasks. Its seamless one-button operation epitomizes user-friendliness, requiring minimal training for maximal effectiveness. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the LL300N kit encompasses all essentials for leveling endeavors, inclusive of the HL450 digital readout receiver, clamp, and alkaline batteries, facilitating seamless operation with no compromise on functionality. It boasts a rugged design fortified with hard hat rotary protection, rendering it impervious to drops and inclement weather conditions, thus making it an indispensable tool for outdoor applications in the most challenging terrains. Tailored for versatility, this laser level finds its niche across a spectrum of concrete and construction site preparation tasks, embodying adaptability and reliability indispensable for diverse projects. Weighing a mere 16.96 pounds and compactly measuring 11 by 8 by 9 inches, its portability is accentuated by a sturdy hard-shelled carrying case, ensuring effortless transportation and storage while safeguarding its components. Equipped with the HL450 digital readout receiver as a standard inclusion, this device delivers precise measurements, augmenting its usability manifold. Moreover, with its plastic body construction and the requirement of 4D batteries, the LL300N guarantees sustained operational prowess, empowering users with prolonged usage without compromise. Spectra Precision LL300N laser level epitomizes the convergence of innovation, reliability, and functionality, heralding a new standard in precision instrumentation without parallel. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.